Um, all right, guys. So today we have got Karuna with us, who is placed as an associate consultant in Capgemini. So we will discuss with her that what kind of work she do and what kind of tools and technologies she uses in her day-to-day life. And she's a part of Jobaaj data analytics program as well. So welcome, Karuna. So can you quickly like brief yourself about yourself to our students and our future aspirant of analytics?
Sure, sir. And thanks for giving this opportunity. Myself, Karuna, and I have recently joined to job data analytical course. It is already 3 to 4 months. Sir is teaching very much nicely in the live classes and also recording classes. Apart from that, I'll introduce myself. I have passed out my engineering in 2021 on July month. After that, I'm sorry, June month, and after that I got one company called DXC Technology. I have worked for around 3 months as technical support engineering, as I was supporting some application, but I did not like the role and the work they were pressuring me every time. Apart from that, I got shortlisted immediately to Capgemini. It was my not dream, but it was my good role and opportunity I received. It is a service-based company, and it is one of the service of IT and the consulting company, I can say. So basically, I am developer of SQL and C Sharp. Basically, my primary skill is SQL Server and PLSQL, and also Blue Ender product I'll be working under. Apart from that, I am recently joined to this job for learning data analytical like Python, NumPy, and Power BI and other things, because I was interested to be doing visualization the data from one system to another. As per my senior people have told that learn and upskill whatever you require. Not only don't focus on one thing like SQL or PLSQL, focus on AI, machine learning, Python, everything. So basically, I'll come to my role. So when I joined to Capgemini, I was analyst. I was a fresher. So they given me analyst as A4 grade. So after completing immediately 6 months, I got a promotion as E5 senior developer of analyst. So after that, I was working under 3 to 4 client. The client I should not say, but basically it is all US based companies, I can say, and I was all working under retail store. Means all the companies are retail company, and the retail company also have stores, particular stores. It is related to supply chain management. So I'm basically under the domain called supply chain management. Every domain like financial, HR, supply chain, we use every technical and non-technical. But I come under techno-functional consultant under the project. So I work under like whenever the client want any requirement, we will solve the issue by technically, and my other colleagues will solve as functional. Like they will prepare Excel sheet day to day how project will go from start to end. Initial phase they will provide you all the details. Later on you should provide you 1 week what you will do next, after 1 month what you will do. So this is all about my introduction of project. Coming to my skill set, I have good background of SQL, and also sir is teaching, Rakshit sir is teaching very well compared to other YouTube channels or anywhere, because this whatever I am learning from jobbers, I am getting brush upping the skills again and again. But my idea, I wanted to be after 5 to 10 years in data science or data analytical, because these are all our temporary and short term whatever we do. So after 5 years, I wanted to be like sir, like data analytical role, Power BI, or any other visualization tool like Tableau. So these are the main tools we use in BI business intelligent. Whenever we go to any industry, we should be familiar. Recently in Capgemini, we were having Looker training. It was given from Google company. So whatever sir has teaching is basic. But when I go to Looker training in advanced level, they teach me all the visualization, how to create the data model from BI tool of Looker. So after that, I got understanding from the basic to advanced how this BI tool works. So I have added in my resume that looker of the secondary skill. And other than that, even I'm very much interested to give live trainings to my students, means juniors in my office. So whenever they provide me the opportunity, I will be the volunteer going forward and giving some feedback or tips how to prepare for the interview. Thank you, sir.
All right. So thank you so much, Karuna, for this detailed introduction of yours. So this will definitely help a lot of students. And one thing you focused upon is SQL. So can you guide like what are the important topics under SQL that one should focus upon? Because SQL also has a lot of topics to learn. So what are those important topics that you use in your day-to-day life, and what kind of data you work upon? These are the two questions I have for you.
Yeah, currently, last year I got a good project, that is to data migration from one data to another, migrating from the data migration to that was the fourth project in Capgemini. So basically, SQL is the basic fundamental you need to understand. So SQL is just a structural query language. It is not a programming language. Basically, it is like an English language. Everyone can understand, and everyone, example, I'm telling something to some people, I'm going outside, means like that in SQ, something they will say, you will need to update or delete based on that commands you will be doing and performing. It is basically data interacting from one system to another. So basically students should focus main on SQL commands and DDL, DCL, DQL, TCL. These are the commands are very important. When if you are career, if you are starting means data means DBA, then you should focus more on TCL and DCL. These two commands are very important. Other than that, we need to focus on subquery and other commands like built-in functions and predefined functions. So basically, if you go to built-in function, they are save point and other things. These are TCL command, and built-in functions are in that is easy, like some trim, L trim, R trim. These are the example for built-in commands. So other than the joints, like combining two table and interacting with two table, based on that you will get all the data. So one table will have 1,000 requirements, another table will have another 1,000 records, but people not understand which data is coming from which, and you need to use joins also. We have different types of joins. We have inner join, outer join, self join, left join, right join. So these are very important topic. Other than that, subquery. Inside one query, we need to nest it with another query. Then only you will get idea of the how the select statement will work. So this is the basic. If you go advanced, you need to learn PLSQL, means programming language. So means in basic we don't get store procedure function. If you're going to advanced level, then you need to have a programming knowledge of PLSQL or TSQL, because in Java or C sharp, any of the programming language, we have oops, but in SQL database we don't have oops. Oops is nothing but it is like in we have types of polymerization, in a region. These are the things you will be learning in Java. So I'll not go to Java topic, that is different. And we have MVC and other things. So that is different. Coming to SQL, in market, the trend is happening. More people are going to SQL. See, example, when I joined to Capgemini, I asked my HR and technical guy, please give me Java. I'm I have 6 months of experience and I have trained in that. So they are not given. And also I have Python knowledge, ML. I have did a project in my engineer final year project. They did not agree. They told whatever the training we provide, you need to focus. Some people went into RDBMS and I went into Oracle PLSQ. So I first I was like confused why the PLSQ concept is there. When I was in engineer, I know SQL and SQL Server. But when I went to company, I was very shocked. After that, slowly I learned and it got interested in the SQL and PLSQ. So other than that, we have many things in SQL. We have non-structural and structural DBMS.
Correct.
Whatever I'm saying is structural. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, yeah, that is whatever you're saying is right. So to summarize, I think subqueries, join, union, TCL, DCL commands are very important, and then after that we can go to PLSQL as well. And Karuna, what is your educational background? Can you also brief a little bit on that?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have joined to engineering BMS IT. So in Bangalore, I joined in 2017. I started my career in engineering. My specialization was computer science.
Okay, okay. So
So
there are.
I'm background
Mm,
CSC.
yeah, all right. And so I think, see, you are already, although your job domain is, let's suppose, associate consultant, but that does not mean that you are not a data analyst because you're already working with supply chain data. And supply chain analysts have a lot of demand in the market right now, and there are specialized programs as well right now in supply chain analytics. So supply chain is a very, very crucial part of any company. So now you can actually apply for the data analyst job roles, business analyst job roles, or any other job roles as well, because you have already worked on SQL, which is one of the most important skills. I would, also, if you can just summarize that, what kind of advice you can give to the future aspirant who want to work in a field like you, right? Or who want to do a job which is similar to yours, because that is again a data analytics job for me. Only visualization is not the data analytics job, it is the last process. But before that, you have to prepare your data using SQL, Python, Microsoft Excel, like that. So what are your, some summarize your feedback to our future aspirant who want to get into data analytics domain, right? Or who want to work into that?
Yeah, sure, sir. So starting, don't go to data science or data analytical or data engineering. My friends in Capgemini, many people face the issue. They went to data engineering. They don't know basic understanding of data analytical. My advice is first learn SQL, then go to other things like advanced level concepts of SQL. And nowadays, no one are liking Java, Python, or C Sharp, C++. Everyone are liking SQL, data science, data analytical. Compared to data science, data analytical is the one of the best for fresher to be started their career. But before that, please go and learn SQL. Do some project for 1 to 2 years or 3 years on SQL. Be confident in the database concept. After learning database only, you will learn other tools like Power BI, Excel, Tableau, and Python also. Python is different, but it will be applicable in data analytical. So these are the tools you will be learning end to end, starting to end. And apart from that, please concentrate first on data analytical. If you want to do any master in abroad or anywhere, please do data analytical. It is per package. My brother is earning 30 lakhs per month in USA. So he has suggested some of the people and refer also. So this is the one fresher can start it. After 10 years, you can go and learn data science. Whatever the things in data science we have, modules to be created by ML and AI, you can learn and go to data science. But don't go to data engineering, I will say, because it is a different field. Thank you, sir.
All right. So yeah, I also agree on the fact that for fresher data analyst, a business analyst, business intelligence, data visualization specialist, these type of job roles are good. And once you have 2, 3 years of experience, you can go to data science job roles as well. So I absolutely agree on that. So again, thank you so much, Karuna, for joining us and guiding our students on this. And for further discussion, I am always available on Discord, right, for one-to-one connect. Thank you again.
Thank you.